What's up everyone, Cassie from Passive Passion Online Income coming to you from Mysore, a city in Karnataka, which is a state in India. If you wanted to get more information about that, please go and check out through Google. Alright, I'm in a place called Vrindavan Garden. You can see the beautiful view behind me. Alright, it's a massive garden, one of the largest gardens in India. And came here for holidays at the same time to meet some of my business associates and work out some new interesting business deals. I'm also planning to open up an offline academy out here. Of course, it is going to be a branch of Kindle Income Academy, going to different cities in India: Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, and Gwalior. So I'm in touch with a lot of educational institutes out there, trying to come up with an affordable plan for the Indian community so that students can avail not only my courses but can also get access to my coaching. Alright, so anyways, today's video is mainly going to be about AMS. Alright, I've been getting a lot of questions, a lot of emails from different subscribers asking me to do a video on AMS and how is it that I've been able to optimize my advertising ads using the AMS facility or provision. Alright, so more on this video, but before I get into the details, I'm gonna see you right after the short little intro. Alright, so welcome back. As I was saying earlier, the video is basically going to be all about AMS ads and how you can strategize and optimize your Amazon marketing ads when it comes to your books. Alright, one major mistake that I see people often making these days is they just go in and squeeze in as many keywords that they can. But what happens is the more keywords you're going to be putting out there, it's actually going to be leading to more expenditure when it comes to your overall ad expenses. The smart thing to do would be to be as specific as you can be. All right, let's say for example, if we were to take an example of ketogenic diet book, all right, and you've got those 7 columns when you are about to publish your books. All right, try to be as specific as possible, all right, in those columns. Now when it comes to your Amazon marketing ads, again, the specific you are and the more keywords you can find which are relevant to the ketogenic diet topic, all right, selectively, the better it's going to be. Now if your book is all about ketogenic diet and if you're going to be using keywords from, let's say, a subject of DASH diet, then that really isn't going to be making any sense at all. All right, so let's say for example, I'm a customer, or if I'm a reader, if I go to the Amazon bookstore and if I'm looking for a ketogenic diet book, I would only be interested in going for ketogenic diet books, right? But if you're going to be using keywords pertinent to the DASH diet topic, and if a customer goes into the section of, let's say, ketogenic diet, all right, and finds your DASH diet books out there, that customer isn't really going to buy your books, all right? And obviously, the more clicks that particular book acquires, the more expenses it's going to incur. All right, so you always have to focus on your profit margin, just like how I teach in my Kindle Income Academy. The more specific you are, the more better it's going to be for your overall ACoS percentage. All right, always aim to get your books below 40%. All right, if it goes to 50, that means you're breaking even. If it goes beyond 50, that means you are making profits. All right, so you have to be really specific and you have to be very strategic when you're setting up your Amazon marketing ads. Now I teach all these steps, I teach all these strategies in my course, which is the Kindle Income Academy. The link will be mentioned in the description section. Go through it, and if you want to book your strategy call with me, go ahead, get in touch with my sales manager, which is Jack, or if you want to personally reach out to me, send me an email and then you can book your session. All right, just like this, there are many other important steps, strategies, techniques I teach in my course that can not only get your book to become one of the best sellers, but I also teach you how you can beat the competition in the existing market and make sure that you dominate that particular niche or that particular market with your books. That was it from this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give a like, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel till now, please go ahead and do subscribe. All right, I'll be coming with more videos. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe with your loved ones, and God bless. Bye.